Good morning. I am about 3 minutes earlier today, so if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward 3 minutes or stay with us as we say hello. Good morning, Yanni. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Cindy. Good morning, Anne. Good morning, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we conclude our exploration of selfless service, one of the 16 Buddhist guidelines for a happy and skillful life. One of the greatest things we can do is serve others. The truest form of selfless service is when we give without wanting anything in return. This means that we don't broadcast to others what we do to receive praise, power, or name and fame. Rather, we serve from our heart and soul in the spirit of helping others. And this attitude has the power to heal on its own. Selfless service is not only a job or task to be done, it is an act of healing, opening our hearts and radiating love. The heart of the giver is soothed, healed, and filled with love. The giving also heals the heart of the recipients, opening their eyes to the humanity of others. All those who have ever given selflessly would have experienced that one never loses when one gives, especially when you give from abundance, from your cup being full. You find more and more blessings raining down upon you, unasked for, and your heart is filled with love. Selfless service strengthens our spiritual development. Our words and actions arise from our thoughts. If we have thoughts in which we want to help others, then that will cause our words and actions to reflect that. If we're going to talk of the need for selfless service, we must be practicing it ourselves. So let's serve selflessly and be an example, rather than tell everyone else how to serve or criticize how he or she serves. And we also realize that no matter how different our backgrounds are, we are all interconnected. And this attitude of loving and accepting people who are different from us is one of the fundamental keys to selfless service that doesn't let us slide in the self-sacrifice mode that we discussed yesterday. So let's explore this together through a practice of loving kindness. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in, to notice all the circumstances of your practice. Perhaps starting with the external circumstances and then gradually zooming in on your inner world. As you explore this, let your breath be easy and soft. Don't try to control it. Let this easy breath be your invitation to soften through the body a little bit, to trust the support of the ground, to lean into the support a little more. Scan your body, notice all the sensations that are present right now. Pleasant, unpleasant, neutral. What is your emotional state today also? What are you thinking about? How does it feel to be uniquely you right this second, here and now? And now let's start by sending the energy of loving kindness and the mantra of loving kindness to ourselves. I will do the traditional verse. Remember that you can repeat that a few times in the silent pauses that I'm going to make in between verses, or you can use your own words, the ones that resonate best with you today. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I be happy healthy, and loved. May I know deep, natural peace. Now start sending the energy and loving kindness mantra to a dear friend or family member, a benefactor of sorts. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and loved. May they find deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind a neutral person, somebody who doesn't really have any impact on your life yet, positive or negative. Send them loving kindness. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and loved. May they know deep, natural peace. Now bring to mind a challenging person in your life, somebody who triggers you. Send loving kindness energy to them. Remind yourself that just like you, they want to be happy, healthy, at ease. Just like you, they want to be loved. May they be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and loved. May they find deep, natural peace. And finally, let's send the energy of loving kindness to all beings, all living beings, reminding ourselves to be in service to the whole world without slipping into self-sacrifice, always giving from a full cup, remembering about our own self-care, giving from abundance, wishing well from this place of true love, true interconnectedness. May all living beings be filled with loving kindness. May all beings be well in body and mind. May all beings be happy, healthy, and loved. May all beings know deep, natural peace. Thank you so much for being here. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.